Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today about a project on cloud computing domain. The title of the project is Dual Access Control in Cloud. Okay, this is the landing page of the project. You can see a very great user interface. Let me tell you the software requirements. What we are using for this project is nothing but for front end. We have used HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and for backend programming, we are using Python programming language here. And the framework we are using is the Django framework, which is the topmost framework used in Python. And database also we are using MySQL database we are using in this project. We can integrate this project with the real-time cloud like AWS that also have done it. Okay. Let me show you how to execute this project step by step. There are 5 different users are interacting in this project. Okay, user is there, the normal user, owner is there, authority is there, cloud and enclave. Let us see these all 5 users, what they are doing and the actions what they are performing in this project. For the better project experience, the flow of the project execution, I'm going to open all these 3 in separate tabs. Okay, let's say first tab is for user, second tab is for data owner. Let me open this. And third tab is for authority. Fourth tab is for cloud. And the fifth tab is for enclave user. Got it? So now let us go to data owner first and try to register a new data owner. Let's provide some details here. We have to provide here valid mobile number because we are going to send OTP. We are using here 2 APIs. One is the email API and second is the SMS API. So valid email ID and valid mobile number. Some profile photo. Register. Now you can see OTP page is displayed. Let us see whether we have received OTP or not. Yeah, I have received OTP in my mobile phone. Let me check it and provide the OTP here. 3472. Verify and you can see the account is created successfully. Now, after the account creation, let us try to log in here with the same credentials. Here it says your account is not activated yet, which means it's not easy for everyone to come here in this platform and register as a owner or register as a user because that will create so much problems. So here we have given dependency to the other user to activate or authorize these user accounts, owner and user. So let's go to, I will try to log in for each and every user here. Okay, this is for authority. Let's try to log in with authority, AUTHO, right, your authority. Login is successful. This is a simple dashboard for the authority. Got it? And you can see here total number of users, total owners, total uploads, and total request how many processed. EDOS attacks is there, accepted users, accepted files. Now, here there is an option view users, but here we require data owners. Let's go to cloud and try to log in with cloud. Now there is a dashboard for cloud as well. You can see here total users, total owners, total uploads, total requests, EDOS attacks, accepted user and accepted files. View owners. Let's go to view owners and you can see here there is a owner. Got it? And if you scroll right side here, you can see the account status is pending. Now let's click on accept here in order to accept the account. The account is accepted. Now we can go to this data owner and try to log in now. It has to perform the login. Login is successful. Now this data owner is having a separate dashboard. Total users, how many are their owners, uploads and requests. Now upload files. Okay, my files, EDOS attacks and profile. Let's go to upload files here. Let me upload a file about code book and we'll upload a text file here. The file is uploaded. Let's try to upload another type of file and see what will happen. Allowed file types are only text, txt, HTML, and Python files. Only text related. Okay, files can be uploaded. Next, if I go to my files here, you can see here there is one file and the status of this file is pending. So data owner's files will be processed by another user. Let's see what we can do. And here in cloud, okay, in cloud you can see here view files option is there, view files, and there is a file here. If we scroll like this, we can see the file status is pending. And if we want to see some metadata, we can click on this icon and you can see file name and uploaded date. Let's click on this accept button in order to accept the file. And the file is accepted here. If I come back to data owner and refresh this my files page, you can see the file is accepted. Right now, we don't have any EDOS attack. Okay. Some other user EDOS attacks are coming here. Now, profile is there. Let's go to profile and check. This is my profile. If I want, I can update anything from here. Now, let's go to user. Okay. And try to register a new user here. Valid mobile number and valid email ID. Okay, we have to provide because of SMS will be sent. Profile picture, register. Now OTP page is displayed. Let's see whether we have received OTP to our mobile phone number or not. Yeah, I have received the OTP and the OTP is 3800. Let's verify this. And you can see account created successfully. Now, if I try to log in here, account is created, but the account is not activated. You can see your account is not yet activated. So here we can go to authority, because authority is the person who will authorize the user's account. Data owner's account will be authorized by the cloud and user's account will be authorized by the authority. You can see here in view users under authority account, there is a user here and the account status of this user is pending. We can click on this accept button in order to accept the account. Now this user can log in. Let's try to log in now. Yes, the login is successful. You can see the dashboard of this user. There's a option here for searching the files. Let's go to search files, and there are so many files are there here. In case if you want, you can search the file with some file name, description, file size, and file type. Let's click on the download request button. Let's go back to another user, Enclave. Okay. And I'm trying to log in with Enclave here. Login is success. And you can see the dashboard here. Cloud request is there. Okay. Whatever the request coming from the cloud, it will come here. Let's go to cloud, and we can find here download request from the user. Under cloud, there is a file here. Okay. We can view the metadata like this, and the status is pending. Here, there is an option. If you see forward, it will be forwarded to the enclave. Let's click on forward, forwarded. Okay. And enclave status, cloud can check here. Enclave status, that file is not still accepted by the enclave. Let's go to enclave user and cloud request. You can see here there is a cloud request is there. Accept from here. If I go to cloud now and check it out enclave status, I will find out, okay, the file is accepted. But the key status is pending. Key status is pending here. Now I'm saying send key. So to that particular user, 10th user ID, the key will be sent. Okay, send key. Now the email will be sent to the user. Send it. Now if I come back to user and click on this option here, download with OTP. Let's go back to my email and check what code I have. You can see the mail is received. There is a code here. There is a key here. Sorry. Let's copy. Let's copy this. And let's try to provide some wrong key. Verify. Invalid key. Okay, invalid key is there. We are logged out automatically. If I go to data owner and check here EDOS attack, you can see here there is a user with this name who is trying to attack my file. Okay, who is trying to attack my file. EDOS attack. Now let's try to log in with that user. Your account has been blocked. Okay, your account is blocked, it says. So this is the way we are providing security. If the key or any intruder, hacker, or unknown person is trying to access any data owner's data, so automatically, if the key is wrong, automatically the account will be blocked such that the user will not be able to log in into the application. Now let's go back to cloud here, and let's go back to authority here, view users. And if we see here, okay, this is blocked. Okay, this is blocked here. This account is blocked. This user account is blocked. For a while now, I'll go to database and I'll change the status to accepted. Okay, let's go to databases. User details. And this user is blocked. I will say accepted. Now let's come back to user and try to log in now. Okay, it will log in now. Search files. Okay, download request. Download with OTP. Paste the OTP. Verify. You can see the file has been downloaded here. Okay, the file is downloaded. This is the file. So this was the complete project. How to detect EDOS attacks is the main concept in this project. Got it? And there are 5 different users are interacting in this project. We have already seen all those 5 users and their actions. Hope you have understood this project. Okay, I tried to explain in a very simple way because this project is quite lengthy. 5 different users' actions, we need to explore it. So I have opened these users in different tabs such that what is going on, we should easily understand it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for an individual to log out all the time for each and every user actions. So with this, I conclude the project execution. I hope that you have got at least something. Okay. If you are having any doubts, you can get back to me or you can ping me on WhatsApp directly to the number given. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.